Come, let's look at this JAMB past questions biology for 2018. Question number 21. Mineral salts can be absorbed into the roots by A. Osmosis only, B. Osmosis and diffusion, C. Diffusion and active transport, D. Imbibition only. Now, for us to get this into perspective, we need to understand what we actually mean. Now you have a plant, and in the root system of the plant we have it under the soil. So the soil has nutrients, mineral salts, which has to be absorbed into the roots to help the plants to grow very well. So the process of absorbing these nutrients or these mineral salts from the soil into the plant so that the plant can grow well, what phenomena, what process is it? Is it osmosis? Is it diffusion and osmosis, or diffusion and active transport, or imbibition? Now naturally, you know that when there is movement like this, we know there is diffusion, but considering that there are more minerals in the cell sap than in the soil, but there is still movement into the cell sap of mineral salts, then we'll talk about active transport. That's what explains that movement against the diffusion gradient. So there is both movement and active transportation to ensure that mineral salts move into the plant through its roots. So the answer for this is C. Thank you.